Pi Network News. New Pi Launchpad app with experimental token launches on testnet. Pi Network launched the first Pi Launchpad on testnet with a test token, allowing pioneers to learn the new utility-focused token launch system before mainnet rollout. Pi price shows early recovery, forming higher lows near 18 cents support, while 26 to 30 cents remains the next key resistance zone for a potential breakout. The Pi core team has announced that the first version of the Pi Launchpad has been released as a Pi app on the testnet, along with a test token. Since the Launchpad introduces new features and works differently from typical Web3 token launches, the team decided to release it on testnet first. This allows the Pi community to understand how the system works and get familiar with the process before it eventually launches on mainnet. According to the team, the Launchpad has come up with several new concepts that differ from traditional Web3 token launches. Because many community members may be unfamiliar with these mechanics, the feature is being released on testnet first so pioneers can learn the system and provide feedback before the mainnet rollout. Interestingly, the mechanism behind the Launchpad follows Design 1 of the Perk framework, which was originally introduced during the network's Open Network anniversary. A different model from typical Web3 launches. Unlike many token launches in the broader Web3 space, the Pi Launchpad focuses on utility-first applications. Projects launching tokens are expected to have working apps where tokens can be used for payments, rewards, governance, or access to services. The model also introduces a liquidity-focused structure designed to reduce common risks associated with token launches. Some community discussions highlight that launch proceeds are directed toward liquidity rather than project treasuries, which could help reduce the risk of rug pulls while improving market stability. Community reaction turns positive. The announcement quickly sparked discussion across the Pi community. Several ecosystem supporters described the testnet rollout as a strategic move that allows users to explore the mechanics before mainnet deployment. A community member said that releasing the Launchpad with a dummy token gives users time to understand how the system works, particularly features such as engagement scoring, Pi power allocation, and auto-liquidity mechanisms. Others also emphasized the broader vision behind the ecosystem. Developers and supporters say the long-term goal is not simply trading Pi for fiat but building real-world utility where users can pay for everyday services directly with Pi. Additional ecosystem updates shared by community accounts include progress on DX testing, node upgrades to Protocol 20.2, second mainnet migrations, and smart contract development, suggesting the network is gradually expanding its blockchain infrastructure. Pi price chart shows early recovery. Meanwhile, the pi/USDT daily chart is showing early signs of recovery after forming a strong support base around 13 to 15 cents. The market recently rallied toward the 27 to 30 cents range before cooling slightly, with prices currently stabilizing around 19 to 20 cents. Technically, the chart is forming higher lows, indicating that buyers are slowly returning to the market. For now, 18 cents remains a key support level,